to buy Envoy, the Envoy AI token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this is their X account. Make sure to take a look at it. Now, after that, we will go to buy this token. Just go, and as you can see, this token is available on CoinJustGo. Just go and find this token in here because we need this to copy the token address. Now, to be able to buy this token is scaled under the Ethereum network. Now, to be able to buy that, as you can see, you can use the Ruby wallet or the MetaMask. Now, for this, we will use BitGet because it's much more flexible than any wallets I used before. Now, just go and log in. Now, to be able to buy this token, as you can see from here, select the Ethereum as a network. Now, go here and click on this little plus. Now from here, just paste the token address as you can see to be able to add it to your wallet. Now, as you can see, this is our token. Just click on plus. Now go back to your home, as you can see. And now you will be able to find it here called Envoy. So as you can see, this is it. Now after that, just click on swap. And here, select the crypto that you have on your wallet. For example, if you have USDT. Now, as you can see from here, select the Envoy. And make sure to select the Ethereum as a network. Just type Envoy, as you can see, like that. And as you can see, this is our token. Now click on it, and here enter how much you want to buy with the USDT. And now, as you can see, this is how much you will receive. So just as you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now after that, just click on swap, and you will be able to buy this Envoy token. So this is how to buy the Envoy token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.